this is our spring beans. So recently we have been planting these, and also
Where's the plant that you planted?
it was here, and now it's grown a lot. And also remember this not being grown. Well, it has been regrown better than before. So now we have a garden.
Where's your garden? Where's your garden? Yo, come and tour us to our garden.
This is our garden. So there's a lot of plants. And also here, there, and also here. And also this one's grown. And also this one's not yet grown.